We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame right now. And as we can see, Bitcoin is trying to find a little bit of support. Right here on the bottom, 236 fib retracement, which is at 38,388. And we did find a little bit of a reprieve buy up right as we hit that level, which is very, very good. That's the bottom of the Bollinger Band as well. As long as we can open and close above 38,388, we still have the possibility to go to the top side, which is at 44,216, with a little bit of resistance right at 41,260, which is the 21 EMA. If we can stay above the 38,388 and close today, then tomorrow we might be starting to see our path to the 21 EMA, which is at 41,000. And then if we can actually hold that 21 EMA tomorrow, we might be able to see by the end of the week a retracement back up to the 44,216 level. Worst case scenario, we start losing this level today at 38,388. Then we can start keeping our red flags warnings up for the lower level at 37K. And if we break that, then these lower targets become a reality for this measured move we already pointed out for this bearish flag. If this bear flag does play out and we break to the downside under this 38,388, we should be looking for a consolidation into this range. And hopefully we do not break the 28,968 level. Breaking under here, we're going to have a much deeper retracement. And we'll come back to that if we do. But as of right now, we should be looking about a retracement bounce in this range between 38,000 and 29,000, which is a $10,000 range, guys. So it's a huge range. So keep that in mind. Going to the 4-hour, we can see that the buying did start. That's a pretty big buy volume candle, but not as much as the selling. We just need this buying to continue in 30 minutes. By the time you guys see this video, you should have a conclusion as if we're going to start going to the top side of the range, or if we did lose this support and we're going to start breaking down to the bottom. This line right here was for a measured move, and I'm gonna just leave it right here. That's already showing you if we break out of this range, our first stop is 37,000. And if we lose this 37,000 support, then you're gonna have this larger measured move play out on the daily head and shoulder, and it could go all the way to 29,000. So this is the range right now. We are pushing off all the EMAs. The 21 EMA is pushing off the 55 and leaning more towards the downside. As long as we can hold this midline of the Bollinger Band, that'd be great. But if we do lose this and this next 4-hour candle starts showing you weakness, just keep these targets in mind this week, especially with earnings coming out at 9:30. If anything bad news comes out, you might see this retracement get deeper. So aside from that, I'm going to go to Ethereum and let's see how Ethereum's doing. All right, here's Ethereum on a daily. Kind of doing the same thing as Bitcoin, but the fact is Ethereum actually lost to 382, and we are looking like we're already consolidating on that measured move we had drawn out already. Worst case scenario, we go to 2,750, but that will only come if we can't hold this Bollinger Band. If today we lose this Bollinger Band, then tomorrow we should expect some more selling and this range will become a reality. If we lose this $2,450 level, we have way lower targets at 17, which is the breakout area, 1700. So let's see if we can find some support and not make a newer low right above this 2,464. And then we can look for upside movement. First level of resistance is going to be the 382, which is at 2,927. And the next level of resistance will be at 3,300 with a little pit stop at the 21 EMA, which is at 3,050. So we have a lot of resistance on the top side and a lot of selling pressure. Right now, on a daily time frame, the selling has not subsided. It actually kicked in higher as the weekly candle opened. So We're going to need to see how everything goes today, and then we can make an assessment for the rest of the week. But today is going to be an important day to see how price action behaves. On the 4-hour on Ethereum, we did close outside the Bollinger Band. We are attempting to make it back into the Bollinger Band. And if we do not make it back within 28 minutes, we are going to see the next wave of selling start because the trend will be to the downside. And this little support that we have left at 2760, which is $100 away, is the last level of support. If we do lose this, we are going to have this as an active target at 2,450, and then our lower targets under there. So please be warned, guys. There's a lot of selling pressure about to start. If we can't break above this 2,800, we're going to have a lot of shorter step up to add shorts here, and a lot of people who are still holding, taking their profits or closing out of their positions completely, adding to the pressure to the downside where they might pick back up here or lower. So everyone needs to be very, very careful today. As long as the buyers step up at market open, we'll be okay. But if we start losing this level and we start seeing open and closes under this with 4-hour candles, then I would be very, very ready for the downside movement to come quickly. So that's my warning to you guys. Please be safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell button for notifications for real-time updates. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If there are any other assets you want me to cover, leave it in the section below, and I will get back to you ASAP. Once again, guys, I just want you to be safe. Take it easy, and I will talk to you guys soon. Happy Monday.